Got a stalker walking up and down the street. Says he's Satan and he'd like to meet. I bought a secret house when I was 17. Haven't had a party since I got the keys. Had a pretty boy over but he couldn't stay. On his way I made him sign an NDA. Yeah, I made him sign an NDA. Cause I don't want him out to say. You couldn't save me, but you can't let me go. I can crave you, but you don't need to. Under 30 for another year. I can barely go outside, I think I hate it here. Maybe I should think about a new career, somewhere in Kauai where I can disappear. I've been having fun, getting older now. Didn't change my number, made him shut his mouth. At least I gave him something he can cry about. I thought about my future, but I want it now.